Hello, welcome everyone. This is Michael with a new Nozbe video screencast showing you how you can translate Nozbe into different languages. Just go to your account. So there's a link, Translate Nozbe here. When you click on this link, you have the translation policy. Click I accept and want to start translating. When you do, you will be asked to choose a language you would like to translate. For example, I speak these here 3 languages. If you speak other languages, like Francais, French, and Netherlands, so the Dutch, Italiano, the Italian, Japanese, Chinese, or Czech language, I encourage you to sign up for those. If you speak other languages than these here, make sure to let us know, drop us an email, and we'll add them here as well. So just click send, and now you are in the Nozbe translation program. To make sure the translation is quite easy, we grouped the different language groups. If you want to translate the stuff with Evernote, for example, it's here, account-related translation, and the percentage here is how much has already been completed and translated. So, for example, let's go to account, and you can see, for example, most of the stuff has been translated very well. But if you see something in red, like here, no translation yet. So you can just, click translate this string. In Spanish, email is correo electrónico, but it's really long. So let's keep it with email. People in Spain understand email. Nickname should be apodo, I think. Here on the right side, it shows you how much, the percentage, how long is the string, is this text compared to the original English. For example, if I use correo electrónico, you can see that it's really long. It's really a long string. It's a lot longer than the original one. So when you're translating, make sure to keep the language length as brief as possible, or not as brief as possible, but as similar to the original as possible. So for example, here I would just use this. Okay, this is an optional field. I'll explain it in a second. Let's save this one. As you can see, I've saved it, and it's there is a thank you note from us saying that this is not yet in the production, but it's waiting for the approval of a moderator. Moderator is a person who is also a translator in each language, but is kind of managing the translation. So right now we are managing most of the translations, but as we keep on translating and we have some really good translators, we'll nominate you to be our moderators and help us also manage the translations. As you can see, some translations have already been translated several times, and you can see the history of each translation. And if you think you want to change something because you think it's better or improves the system, just click on change the translation, put something else here, and then explain why. Briefly, I mean, that it's better, it's shorter, or it's, let's, for example, let's make it like this, for example, and then just go and shorter. And then, we'll review this thing, and if it's good, then we'll of course accept that. We're open to suggestions, we're open to feedback, and we want to bring Nozbe to your language. So let's go back to the dashboard, and in the dashboard you can continue translating. As you can see, the account section has risen to 93%, so it's almost 100%. And then start with what you like most, and then continue if you like. I mean, any contribution is good. Why we are doing this is because we believe that true people who are getting things done, who are using Nozbe, and are natives in their languages, would know the best how to name things. If you want to have Nozbe in your language perfectly, then it's your time to contribute, and it's time to help, and we'll make sure to make it worth your while, and then we'll be grateful, and then we'll try to help you in any way we can. So thanks very much. Please go to log in and go to Translate Nozbe and start translating. Let us know what you think. Thank you very much. Bye bye.